As I walk through the twilight path and watch the sunset of the sun, I look back on myself and turn into a quiet prayer for myself. I, who had a great dream, cried and prayed loudly that I would live faithfully, according to God's will, turned into a prayer of silence. That was simple and quiet enough to be poor. When you wash your hair, I pray that you wash it with your hands until the end. I pray that you can cut your nails and toenails with your hands until the end. I pray that you will give me the ability to resolve it on your own until the end, without the help of others in the bathroom. When the faces of your loved ones come to mind, I pray that you will live with this memory until the end. I pray that you will help me without being a burden until the end, taking care of my hands. Life is only in this moment, and I pray that you will give me wisdom to have a clear and fragrant heart. Now I'm a poor person at heart. I didn't envy anything with just my health, and my heart was moistened with tears of gratitude.